We are answering your questions today. This one is about mediation. I am TH.
I'm Jessica.
And we are the co-founders of X Experts and the co-hosts of the Divorce Etc. podcast. So this question came from one of you guys out there, and I'm sure many of you are thinking the same thing. And it's really about mediation and divorce. So there are two sides to it. Can we both agree to mediation, and should each person get a lawyer during mediation? So we're going to clarify this for you. Mediation is one way to settle your divorce. It's the preferred way. It's amicable. If you're both able to communicate well and you have like 90% or a significant amount of your what do you call it?
Well, I mean, your negotiation
points
settled
and agreed to, parenting time, custody, who gets the house. If most of the stuff is agreed to and there's one or two points that still need to be discussed, mediation would be a great opportunity. But as far as getting a lawyer for mediation.
Yeah. And I also want to clarify, I mean, the way that the question's written is, can we both agree to the mediation? I think that what the questioner actually meant was, can we both agree to the results of the mediation? Can we both agree to who the mediator is?
Right.
In any case, when it comes to, and then part of the question is, should each person have a lawyer, or can you just do the mediation? We recommend in all circumstances, regardless of what path you take for divorce, we recommend that everybody be represented by legal counsel.
100%.
It's going to help you in every way. We understand there's a cost to it. We understand that in some states you can mediate and you both don't have to have a lawyer. You both go in, you've agreed on who the mediator is, and that's the end of it. Even in those circumstances, you're still entitled to have a lawyer. Your lawyer will not sit in the mediation with you, but what it allows you to do is to sit in the mediation, listen to what the suggestions are for the settlement, and go back and speak to your lawyer and say, this is what the mediator suggested, this is what it might be. And
it's a double check.
And have your lawyer say, do this instead, go back and suggest this. In some states, even if you mediate, you still both have to have a lawyer to sign off on the mediation. And what that does is it just ensures that you understood what's happening and that you're really going into it with a clear mind and you're not being coerced in any way.
And that your best interests are really being taken care of and things you may not have thought of. Your lawyer has done 1 million divorces more than you have ever done, hopefully.
Right.
And so really to kind of check in with your lawyer. Now, I was divorced in New Jersey, and mediation was among the things that we endured over 4 years heading to trial. And we both did actually have our lawyers in with the mediator at the time. So it's a matter of what state you're in. It's a matter of what state you're in with your ex, soon to be ex, and your level of communication and agreement on terms. But you both do need to agree to who is the actual mediator. And then you go and hire your own lawyer. If your soon-to-be ex chooses to or not, that's up to them. You worry about you. You make sure you understand. You make sure your best interests are covered.
That's right.
So we hope this answers your question. And any other questions you have, we have tons of information at xexperts.com about mediation and the different types of divorce that you can consider if this is where you find yourself. DM us or email hello@xexperts.com, and we will see you next time on YouTube.